Hi everyone and welcome back to Epic Mentorship. My name is Dr. Rashid and today we are going to use Microsoft PowerPoint to design our virtual video background. Now you can use this background during your meetings in Zoom, Microsoft Teams, WebEx, as well as Google Meet. Okay. The best part of this is that you don't need to apply any add-ons or you download any software. Once you have Microsoft 365 subscription, then you're good to go. It's very easy and I'll show you just in a bit. So if you are new here, kindly consider liking and subscribing to our channel to keep enjoying related useful videos. So without further ado, let's get started. So guys, here I am on an empty slide that I just opened on Microsoft PowerPoint. So the first thing you need to do is to stay on the home page and navigate all the way to design ideas. Okay, this is a new feature, but it's quite very helpful that is recently introduced by Microsoft. It's very helpful. It can give you different kind of ideas while you design the PowerPoint. It makes work virtually easy. So all you need to do is to click on it, and you'll see a range of ideas to choose from. Usually the first one here is a video. As we hover over it, you can see that beautiful cat moving around. Okay, so once you click on it, it's going to come over to our screen just like that, and we have this video. If you move down, you can see a range of other design ideas. Although these are pictures, you can see more videos related to that once you click on more videos here, right? So you can see more videos like that. Okay, so this is very interesting. You can check there are a bunch of others down here. Okay, so maybe we can select this and go with it, right? So this kind of looks cool. So this is like the title page. You can put in your title. For example, here I can put my name, Dr. Rashid, right? So I can put a subtitle, maybe the competent communicator, something like that, right? So this is like this is our background for now, but let's play it to see how it looks. Let's play it from the slideshow and see how it looks. Okay. Wow. So look at that. Imagine using this background, this virtual background as your video background while you deliver your presentations or your meetings, while you are in your meetings in Zoom, Microsoft Teams, or in WebEx, as the case may be, right? When you come down here, you can see the video plays continuously until it gets to the end, and it automatically looped back. Okay, once you get to the end, it restarts again, so it plays continuously. How does this happen? Once you click this escape, we will see what caused that action. Okay, so once you click on this video background, you can see that there's a new icon here called Playback. Okay, from this Playback, once you click on it, you can move on here. You can see the start. It says automatic. Okay, you can either start automatic, or you can start in click sequence, or when it clicks. Okay, when clicked on, you can just start playing the video. But I think it looks quite better when you leave it on automatic. Okay, and then you make sure that this loop until stopped is selected. That's what makes it actually to play continuously. As it gets to the end, it loops back to the beginning again. Okay, once you have this selected, it's going to loop back to the beginning. Or if you want it to rewind from the beginning after playing, it can still rewind if we choose this option. Okay, we can come back to our home, and then we can say that you can see series of videos apart from the see more that we just clicked just now. We can see multiple videos that we can add and use as our background. For example, we can come to this insert, and then we can navigate all the way to videos. Okay, we can click this drop down and we can come directly to stock videos. Okay, stock videos. And on coming here, you can see that there are a series of videos down here that you can choose from, in addition to the ones that you have in the design ideas. Okay, so this is quite good. As you hover over the video, you're going to see a preview of what it is. Okay, just like this. You hover over it, you can see what the video is going to do. This one also. Okay, as you hover over it, you can see directly what the video is about, and it will play a sample for you, something like this. Okay, so you are free to choose any video that you like, and you can use it as your background. Okay, you can customize to your liking, and then you can use. Okay, I kind of like this. You can select multiple if you want. You can like this, and maybe we can go on with this. Right, you can select these three and say insert. Okay, so while you are here, other things you may see and may be useful to you are to your left. You can see images. These are stocked images that you can use for your presentations according to your liking. You can navigate around based on the kind of picture you are looking for. Are you looking for people, or you are looking for food, or something that has to do with nature and the light? So you always see a bunch of images that you can always download, or you can just insert into your presentation. Okay, then you have next to it, you have series of icons you can use based on communication, analytics, and the light. So you can select based on the subject you are dealing with in your presentations. Okay, you can have food and drinks as well, whole holidays. You can see different kind of home designs, and home appliances here. And next to it, you can have cut out people. Okay, this is very handy feature. You can use this actually to kind of represent a particular feeling or a particular action, depending on what you are trying to send as a message to your audience. Okay, and the best part of these images is that this is transparent. You can use it on any color, any image, and it will not show the background. Okay, the background has already been removed, so you will find it very, very, very helpful in your slides. And then you have stickers over here. Okay, so if you're a teacher or you want to show, you are doing videos that has to do with cartoons or anything that relate to fun, you can use this stickers to actually showcase your expertise. Okay, you can have different types. You have cards. Okay, you have taffy cards, and you have bees and all that. You can insert them into your PowerPoints, and you can change the coloration as you like. Okay, down here you have illustrations. This one too, there are different types. You can see them. You can insert to your presentations and customize them to your liking. Okay, so back to our video, which is the main part of our discussion today. Okay, so we select these three videos and insert. Okay, all right. So we have the three videos inserted to our slides. You can check that by just clicking on each one. You can see the 1, 2, 3 videos they are inserted. And I tried to create 3 different slides, empty slides, and I move those videos in them. Okay, so let's try to play to show the slideshow and see what we are going to see. Okay, yeah, this is the second slide. Look at how beautiful it's looking. All right, look at the third one. So imagine yourself having this as your background while you deliver your presentations and meetings and all. All right, so these are our backgrounds that we just created. So you can hit the escape key to come back to our PowerPoint slide and see what we can edit. So you can do so many things with this. For example, you can decide to zoom out and make it a bit smaller. Okay, you can click on the video and then you can come over here to video formats and change the video shape. Okay, you can play the video according to different shapes. Okay, for example, you can imagine this video playing like this. You take this shape and you can put some effects as well. For example, you can put reflection and you can have it to reflect downwards. Oh, this one looks fine. Okay, so let's play it to see how it looks. Okay, you can see you can change the shape of the video as you play it in the background. Okay, kind of think it looks cool. So depending on your wish, your like, you can move around and customize to your liking. Even this, you can play around with the shape and all. Okay, so you are free to add any content. You can insert anything from images to pictures to other videos to other graphics to icons and all. You can insert virtually anything and you can customize to your liking. You can insert different kind of text, word art and all, and you customize to your liking. Okay. All right. So to save a particular video, all you need to do is just to come over to files, okay, and click on save as, and then you navigate to the particular place you want to save. For example, I could choose my desktop, and then in the format you can check in MPEG-4 video. Okay, MPEG-4 video is the best version to save, to have the best resolution and all. Okay, so once you hit on it, and then you can change the name and make it this is going to be an MP4 video. All right, guys, so here I am in a Zoom meeting and I want to insert that video background that we just made as my own background during this meeting. So all I need to do is to come down to videos and go to uh, choose virtual background, click on it, and then you can come to this plus icon and click on add video. And then you can navigate to this directory where you save that particular background. Here I have it as my background, and then you just add. Okay, so look at that. How beautiful. All right, guys, thank you so much for being with me up to this point, and I hope you have learned something today. If you do, feel free to share with your friends, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button to keep enjoying related useful videos. See you in my next video. Bye.